I already know it. Oh, yeah, I'm too big. To be honest, forgot to turn on my camera until 15 seconds ago. But, no corona. Buenas morgen, minasan. Oh, I'm just a regular old polyglot now. Oh, man, I'm so impressive. Okay. Well. Today, we are gathered here today to work on my Kiryu Coco game. Brainchild of Eitan, who apparently is streaming right now on her Twitch. But it is essentially pin the tail on Coco. That's what it is. It's like darts, you pin the tail on Coco. Also, there'll be flying Yagos. The Yagos, they fly, they try to block you, keep the say-so of Hololive. And also Coco can move around. That's essentially the idea of it. And if you didn't know, by the way, 99% of the development on this game is occurring on my Twitch. Not here, on Twitch. My Twitch link is in the description of this video. Yeah. Just because Twitch VODs don't stick around forever, I feel like I get a little more work done because I don't feel so much pressure to be entertaining, I guess. I don't know, but yeah, that's how it is. Hello, everybody. Hello. Salutes to you all as well. I haven't seen you in so long. Sorry. Oh, my throat is extra bad today. I don't know what's going on. Okay, well, let's get right into it. Let me show you what I've done so far, just in case you haven't seen it, okay? I'm too big. I'm too big. There? No. There? No. That's good. That's good. That's good. Okay, I don't... Why is Visual Studio messed up? Nope, that's not right either. That's it. Okay, there we go. Okay, hello! Let's get a look at what I've done so far. And of course, by the way, if anyone has any fix for this, every single time I open this game, Unity says, there are compile errors with your layout. You must revert your layout to factory settings. And I'm like, okay, I haven't done anything with my layout. Like, it's just the default layout. So every single time I open Unity, the layout's all messed up and I have to reset to the default. I literally just used the default layout and it's saying it's causing compile errors. I hate Unity. Also, my physics are still turned up really high. We were messing with my physics. And it's kind of cute, but I'm just gonna turn it down a little bit. Yeah, let's just like go to like 80. How's that? It's a little better. It's a little crazy. It's fine. Yeah, it is very strange. This is not even the first time I've had this problem, but it's the first time I've had this problem every single time I open the project. At least better than Stencil. True. Still better than Stencil. Okay. Let me show you guys what I've done. I'm gonna maximize on play so you can get the maximum experience. Oh, the Chungus is just sitting there in the corner because I haven't, you guys can't see it anyways. So, where's the score? Interesting. Okay, there's a lot of UI stuff I've yet to sort out. Where'd the score go? Score? What's happening? Oh, why is it revert? Oh, I had my head edited all reversed. Okay, let's go with that. Okay, that should be fine. Maximize on play. Okay. So it's all cut off though on the gosh darn it. It's cut off here. Is there a way for me to fix that? Not really. I'll just not maximize on play. Where it's all on the fly here. It's all live TV. Okay, here we go. Now you can see it all. Okay, so there won't always be. Also, why are the Yagos behind Coco? Oh my gosh, this is so strange. It's all weird. Oh, because I moved Coco up. That's why. We move the Yago generator spawn points up as well. Where are they? Let's move them like there. Okay, that's good. Okay. Also, those Yagos are very large. Oh, that's right. I made them large because I was testing something. Let me open the Yagos and make them small again. Okay. Now let's try this. Okay, let's try this. Let's okay. Yagos? Yeah, those are right-sized Yagos. Okay. So you can charge up your throw and you throw it over. These are all just temporary arts, except for the Yago. The Yago is final art, no negotiations. And you aim for Coco. And if I hit it in one universe, this is hard. There we go. I hit it, so I got my score went up. And the Yagos will block your shot. I'm gonna make the Yagos a little bit more annoying. Right now, they're all kind of random. And obviously, eventually, the Coco will move around and stuff, so you have to aim, and won't be so easy. But this is just the first level. Coco's also gonna have like a taunt. No RGB Yago. Additionally, let me show you guys this audio that so I've started scouring for Yago was perfect just the way he was born. I started scouring for Coco sound clips, and by the way, if you hear any good Coco sound clips, please at me on Twitter and give me like the timestamp, and I will incorporate them into the database. But let me also, I just realized there's no BGM, is there? Yeah, there's not any BGM. That's cool. Well, it'd be like that. Anyways, let me show you guys. Let me show you guys the sound clips that I currently have. I have a lot. Well, okay, I've located a lot more sound clips than this, but basically there's this channel I found from this person whose name I can't remember, and I feel really bad, but they'll be in the credits of the game, and they basically just have all these really good Coco sound clips that they collect, and I asked them to send them to me directly, and they did, so... Good morning, motherfuckers! I think these are all from Asa Coco. Get the fuck out of your bed, motherfuckers! This does not follow my channel rules, this kind of language. Fuck you guys! Hey, motherfuckers! Good morning, motherfuckers! Good morning, motherfuckers! What the fuck? Fuck you guys! Good morning, motherfuckers! Good morning, motherfuckers! What? Yeah, these are great for an alarm. You watching my screen? You jacking off? Sorry, that was really funny to me. Oh, peanut butter. The person I found at the channel, they did have that peanut butter clip in one of their clips. This was the only one that they still had the raw file for, so they sent me this one. But this person was really good about linking every video that the sound clips were from, because most channels, when they have clips and stuff, they just link like Coco's channel, and I'm like, super helpful, thanks guys. But this person does link each individual video that they got the clip from, so I do remember that the peanut butter clip is one of them, and so maybe I'll get that. Honestly, these clips that are here are probably, that I just showed you, are probably sorry, I can't think of a ton of instances in the game where they'll be helpful. Most of the really helpful clips of Coco are usually labeled dragon noises. So just the like random like screaming and grunts and stuff, those will be very helpful. I also eventually need like a couple. I mean, Yago doesn't have that much sound bites to go through, so that won't be that hard. But I also need some Kanata sound clips. If she has ever made any gorilla noises, that would be super helpful. I haven't started looking for Kanata sound clips yet. But that'll be fun. Also, so what I'm gonna work on right this second is when you actually hit Coco, when you get a hit, Chunguses will come out and they'll clap for you. They'll like slide in and they'll clap 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 and they'll slide out. And the number of Chunguses will depend on the score you got, you know, because it's darts. So if you get a bullseye, it's a bigger score than okay. So Chungus, this is a Chungus. If you're not aware, this is a Chungus, and they're mostly, generally speaking, they're used as a stand-in for like a Hololive fan, hence the Hololive shirt, and they always have this face. And they're featured quite a bit on Coco's shitpost review. So let's get our Chungus manager going. Thank you. I'm gonna make a prefab of that. And then in the Chungus manager, we need to write the code. So I already have the code for it, like adding the points. You should record some Folly smashing some potatoes. And then I need it to trigger an animation. So basically, what I've decided I'm gonna do is that because they're gonna come in from the left and right sides. What kind of object should this be? An animator? I'm just gonna like animate the parent object sliding in, and then all of the Chunguses will be children objects. So they'll slide in with it. That's the plan. So then I just trigger left side dot set bool. I don't know. True. I guess I don't even need to do this because I can just make it like the default. It'll just automatically do it. Okay, yeah, I don't even need to do that stuff. Perfect. Okay. So we have the left Chungus side and the right Chungus side. You can't really see because they're off to the corner of the screen, but whatever. Actually, I'm gonna adjust this. Oops, gosh darn it, I hate that it automatically switches it. Because this is not really helpful. Oop, oh, there it is. Okay, you don't need this much above the bottom of the screen. You just don't. Maybe I'll just change the size of the screen. Yeah. Ah, what's going on? There we go. Okay, that's the important stuff right there. Make it bigger. Can almost read it now. Almost. Let's make it a little bit bigger. Yeah, like that. Ah! Gosh darn it. I have a thing that automatically switches what scene I'm in based on what window I select, and that's why I keep switching. There we go. There we go. Okay, now you can kind of see what's going on, even though my window's now really small. So we're gonna create some left and right Chungus. Let's put them where they're supposed to be. Left Chungus is over here, right Chungus is over here. And then we're going to animate them. So let's open the animation. Bothers me that the animation window is the thing where you create animations, and the animator window is the thing where you change how they get triggered, but whatever. Gonna call this right chungus slide. And the only property I need is transform. Position. It's gonna slide in from here and over, let's say 0.2 seconds. It's gonna go here. It's gonna stay there for like 0.5 seconds. How do I make it do that? I don't know. Can I copy this? Yeah, I sure can. No, I sure can't. He plans to make Coco's husband show up? I thought about it. But I actually the one that the reference that I really want to include that I'm having trouble figuring out how to do it is Adidas. I think Adidas would be a good reference, and I don't know how to include Adidas reference. Why does it move? It's supposed to be the same position. There we go. There we go. Okay. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. And then we do that same thing on the left side. Create. Why is my nose so stuffy today? Left chungus slide. Oh wow, my spelling on that was really rough. Transform, position. Right there is fine. After 0.2 seconds, we slide. Oh, I didn't click the record button. We slide in. There we go. And then we slide out. Just like so. Okay? And that will automatically trigger anyways, so easy peasy. You know, I've been getting non-stop emails from the Duolingo owl. It is so annoying. Oh, random chungus wearing Adidas pants. Ooh. Maybe when you hit a bullseye, all the chunguses are wearing Adidas. Good morning, Jarn. Yeah, so yeah, I don't know how to incorporate Adidas. I'm having trouble with that. Okay. So, now we need to create some spawn points. Name the spawn. This is, to be honest, a very jank way of doing this, but I always do this way because it's the quickest way. Technically, if I was like, supposed to be doing it correctly, I would like, I don't know. I think this is okay, actually. Yeah, that's probably good. Probably enough chunguses. Okay. Okay. And then on this side, we're gonna create some spawn points too. Spawn. Duplicate. 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 And then in the chungus manager, we're going to add all of these points to the spawn points here. There we go. There we go. And then let's just say by default, we add 6 chunguses, okay? So now, as soon as I press, actually, well, I think right now the animation will loop. So let me fix that. Well, you know what? Actually, let's see it loop. I want to see it. Whoa, hello. Oh, it's 2 in the morning? Go to sleep. Oh, no. Oh, no. Yeah, I'll be honest, Kiara's new schedule is pretty good for me. I don't well, I know why that was going so quickly, but so let's fix that first of all. Wait, where did I put those animations? Wait, what? Where did I... Oh, no, they're here. Okay, they're in the right spot. Okay. First of all, they're way too fast. So let's spread that out a bit. $52. Yeah. Okay, and then we have to fix the right side too. I don't know what scale this is at. I always have this problem with Unity where I think that this is seconds and it is not seconds. Okay. Maybe it's like, I don't know. Why is it? That's very strange. I don't know why it's doing that. It's like starting in the middle here. Also there should be 6 chunguses. Oh, there are 6 chunguses. What's happening? What is going on? This is chaos. This is why I hate the animator, by the way. I have 100%. You know what? I'll say 90%. 90% of the bugs that I get in Unity are from animation, the animator. 90% of them. Because the animator is weird and annoying and it overrides everything. See, but like, so why is it going crazy? Let's see what the right one's doing. Why is it not doing that? Like, that's my question. Let's start this and pause it. So now we're gonna look at what's going on here. So apparently, why are they all in the same spot? Why are all these chunguses in the same spot? Because the left one seems to be working as intended. Sorry if you could hear that. Sometimes my throat makes strange noises. Stop it. I had breakfast tacos this morning for dinner. Oh my gosh. It's just lunch? Brunch? Why are they all in the same spot? What is happening? As soon as I attach a chungus to it, it like moves. Wait, why did this... Construct 3 and Unreal mostly animation should be done like first along the mechanism, otherwise it breaks everything. Yeah. Yep. See, my problem is I try to use animation to do a lot of the work for me, which is not a good idea. It looks like, oh god. Wait, what is happening? Why do all of the spawn points have chungus managers? That's not correct. Not reset. Remove. What is happening? Is it? Oh, you know what? It's not. I'm so dumb. I'm so dumb. I'm so dumb. I had it locked. I had it locked. Oh, you know what? You know what? I'm not moving the chungus to be at the same point. as so chung dot transform dot local position equals vector 3 dot 0. I bet that'll do it. I bet that'll do it. Let's try that. I think it'll seem weird though. Oh, did I not fix the Chungus man? Yeah, I didn't. Yeah, I didn't reset. I accidentally clicked reset. Okay, so it looks like it's working though. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. Settle the spawn points back in, and then we need to add the Chungus prefab right here, and we need to set to like 5 Chunguses. Okay. Let's unlock that. And now let's try it. There we go. I mean, it's wonky, but it's working as intended. But why is this Chungus, like... Oh, the start and stop points for that animation are wrong. That's why. We can fix that. Perfect. Okay, let's go. There we go. And then we're gonna create my favorite script. Every single game that I create. Oh, it's the asset store. Nope, not reload. Close. Okay, every single game that I create has this behavior. And it is destroy on exit. New script. Create an ad. And all it does is it's perfect for any sort of effects, any sort of one-off animations. We go to on state exit, and I still can't figure out what uncomment is on Visual Studio with the oops, that's a comment. That's okay. There we go. And we just say animator dot game object. Sorry, I have a new keyboard and my new keyboard is really messing me up. Just call destroy on it. So we're just destroying the game object when it's done with the animation. There, done. And then we go back to this, the animator, and we create an exit state, exit transition, when it is done animating. Has exit time, animation or transition duration is 0. Done. Okay. So now, actually, that's not entirely correct because we don't want to destroy this. We want to destroy the parent. So, we're going to create a different one. This could be a different behavior. Oops, remove. Control EU to uncomment? That's so many buttons. Destroy parent on exit. Which is almost exactly the same as this one. Control EU. Control EU. Control E, Control U is not a command. Control E, U is not a command. That's what it keeps telling me. By the way, I didn't mention that this game will be multiplayer. I'm pretty excited about it. And then we get the parent. I know I'm probably doing extra steps. I probably don't need to get the game object, but it's fine. What is this? What's its damage here? What's going on? Did I do something? I think that Control E did something, actually. Yeah, it made everything under case. Okay. Yeah. Oh, I forgot the important part. Oh god, what are you doing? Okay, so we need to get the parent. Transform dot parent. I know this is so extra. I don't think you need to do like half of these, but I'm just lazy and I don't feel like looking it up, so. Or testing it, so I know this works. So now it'll destroy the Chungus manager. We're just going to create a Chungus manager every time we want to have Chunguses appear. Yeah, so this time when I press play, it should only happen once. Yep. Right on the money. Right on the money. Perfecto. Okay, let's move some of these scripts and stuff into the scripts folder. And the Chungus into the prefab folder. And now let's make, and we can delete this Chungus here. And then the Chungus manager is a prefab. Put that in the prefab folder. And eventually we'll have that spawn every time we hit Coco. Control KU on your Visual Studio. Well, you know what? Let's figure this out. I got a captive audience. Let's figure it out. Control K? Nope. Control KU? Nope. That U, apparently Control U makes everything undercase. I've learned that now. See. Woo! I don't know what that was. So annoying. I mean, like, on every other IDE I've ever used, it's just, you just press, like, the comment. You just press, like, / and it uncomments things. It's so stupid. Okay. Or comments them. Whatever. I'm gonna stop worrying about that. I'll look it up later. Okay. So we got our Chunguses. Now, I guess we need to work on Coco movement. We've actually got a lot of the game going here. Like, Coco movement is probably one of the last things that we have to do, mostly. And then the rest is just flavor. Flavor text. Not text, but, you know, flavor. Visuals, aesthetic. But as far as core gameplay, I mean, obviously then we need to do, like, you know, the multiplayer stuff, but that's a whole other can of beans. So yeah, let's try to do Coco movement. So I've been lamenting over whether to write the Coco movement, because obviously in multiplayer there's going to be a player controlling Coco, so that's going to be a totally different thing. But as for this, I've been trying to figure out, like, how exactly I should do it. Should I use a nav mesh? No, that seems way too much. Should I lerp between points? I don't know, that seems a little janky, especially considering that I want to have her, like, jumping like this. Should I do it all via physics, via rigid bodies? That's a possibility. There's a button in the toolbar to comment, uncomment section of Visual Studio. A button in the toolbar? Mine's pretty minimal. There's no button here for me. I'll look it up later. Okay. So, I don't know. What do you guys think? Because nav mesh won't really work because it's both overly complicated and won't really do what I want. Lerping between points is too stilted because I want her to have a smooth arc of motion. Unity doesn't natively support splines. But splines is what I would want. There's probably, you know what? Let's bring the Unity asset store up. Let's look. Let's get a look here. Spline. Curvy is like a bunch of money. Dot Tween Pro. This seems so extra. Curvy splines is $50. Dream Tech splines is $35. Map Magic 2 splines beta is $22.5. Splines editor is only $7. It looks pretty simple. Spline tool is only $8. Let's take a look at Spline tool. This looks nice. It only has one review. That's a little concerning. types of nodes, free, aligned, mirrored, auto, poly, that allow you to create, misspelled, allow you to create whatever shape you have in mind. Simple editing by cloning. If you lerp, it's going to be linear and predictable. That's ridiculous. Yes. Well, I want to lerp along a spline is what I want to do because I want to have a smooth arc of motion. Move game objects along the spline in both directions. Oh, this natively has the ability to just move game objects along a spline. That's pretty nice. Does it work? Where's that run review I heard about? Very good and easy to use. 7 months ago, on a previous version, a reviewer was gifted package by publisher concerning. I can say that this is a very good asset. To give a fast, predefined trajectory to a game object in Unity is a very good choice. Easy to use and easy to understand. Imagine you want to hit a game object in the scene to make it move, say in a circle. All you have to do is draw the line, the circle in this case, where you want the game object to move. Or imagine a spaceship. Okay, this is a little extra. I can say this tool is a good choice if you want to quickly make the trajectory of a character. I mean, that's exactly what I want to do. Will an animation curve work? Yes, but it's too, like, I would much rather just write one system that says, like, move along this line and then just change the line in the scene, because the animator is sort of extra and also introduces a lot of issues, as we've just seen, kind of unpredictable, and buggy for that matter, to be honest, because in that case I would have to create a custom animation for every type of movement that I want Coco to do. But in this case, I can just write one script, have it do the thing, and then attach a spline to it depending on what level it is. Much easier, much easier. Also, documentation is pretty good. You just need to read it. You'll understand what you have to do. Okay, I am a little weary because this has 1 rating. Clearly, there's a particular spline, asset that people like to use. If that one is so good but no one uses it. I want another Pepsi so bad. I just finished my other one. Is there any left? No. Oh my god, I want another Pepsi so bad. Spline Plus, too expensive. What about this one? This is 13 reviews and they're all 5 stars. But this is also kind of extra. I don't care about all this extra stuff. I just want a spline, like a regular old spline. Generate colliders. Oh, definitely don't want that. What about this one? I guess maybe this is the one that everyone uses. 22 reviews. You just create splines, okay. Spline loops, spline branches, save in play mode, though. That's a big deal, actually. Runtime editor, spline smoothing, spline twisting, spline control point modes. Okay, there's not much explanation to this. I guess we'll take a look at the video that they probably have here. Or not. Come on. Wow, okay. Okay, I get that. Let's look at the reviews. Maybe spline mesh? What's the spline mesh? Oh, there's got some bad reviews. Useful, but a bit rough around the edges. I was attracted to this library because it seemed unique in this price range and offering junctions between different splines. I don't care about different splines. You know what? Let's give the other one a try. Let's give the first one that we looked at a try. I mean, it's only like, what, $8? So if it doesn't work, it's not the worst thing in the world. Spline tool. Let's give this a try here. I'm just gonna, I'm just in case, I don't know, some things get shown that I don't want to show. I'm just gonna, what's the best way to do this? I'll cover it up with Coco. Here, I want a Coco image that I can just use for everything. Kiryu, Coco. Let's see, which is a good one. I want that Coco face. The one where she's a little like, eh. Oh, this is cute. This one that she drew a while ago. Okay, I'll just use this one. Okay, this is gonna be my censor bar. Come on. Come on. Why is it not? What is going on? Okay, I'll manually import it then. Spline mesh? Okay, if it's free, I'll take a look at it. Is this thing that I just grabbed not an image? It's a- oh, it's not an image. What the heck is that? Save image? Oh, that's weird. There we go. This is the image I'm going to use as my censor bar. When I need it. But for now, I don't. What is spline mesh? Oop. Paid version. The paid version is the one that seems to be recommended. What's the difference? This is the paid version of the free and open source plugin. There is no additional content. Okay, gotcha. Understood. Yeah, drink some water. My throat's all messed up. Okay. Generalistic? Okay, not a word. Spline component. Mesh bending along spline. 2D shape extrusion. Easy use editor. Complete mathematical Bezier curves. Strong performance. Okay. To be honest, the thing I mean, it doesn't really matter. My browser can't play YouTube videos. Oh, I see what it was talking about when it says spline mesh. It's kind of extra. I don't really need all this stuff. Okay, so this isn't splines. Like, I mean, it is splines, but the purpose of this is to extrude a mesh along a spline. That's not what I need to do. That's just not what I need to do. I need to move a spline along a mesh. Oh my god. I need to move an object along a spline. This is a cool asset, though. I will keep this in mind. I'll give it a favorite. Oh no, I feel like I'm getting doxxed. I've been looking up assets for that do good, not toon shading, but, the word is, like, lines. What's the word? Like, for when I have my 3D debut, you know, the cartoony line look. I can't remember what the words. Apparently, I couldn't find very many good ones. It was shocking. But there's not a ton of shaders on Asset Store because people usually just, I don't know where people get shaders. I'm so bad at shaders. I can't write shaders. But I'm tempted to just write my own TBH. Why did I close that? Why did I close that? I was gonna download the other one. Oh my gosh. Asset Store. What was the other one called? Wow, I didn't spell that right. Spline. Where'd it go? Ah, it's this one. Okay. Let's bring the Coco sensor as I buy. There we go. This thing. Oh, it happens in a different window anyways. Oh, not even a problem. It happens in my Chrome. Okay, Coco, we don't need you. Okay, let me quickly pay for this. Oh, wow, yeah, this has, like, all of my information on it. Oh. Oh, boy. That would have been bad. In fact, I'm gonna just turn on the sensor just in case. Hello. I'm currently buying a Unity asset so I don't have to do work. 'Cause I'm lazy. Okay, processing my payment. Open in Unity. Open Unity editor. It's already open. Package manager. Oh, fetching packages. Spline tool, here we go. Import, download? I guess I have to click download first. And import. Just import everything, I guess. And we can uncensor. Whoa, what the heck? Oh, my background accidentally got hidden. That was weird. Okay, I should have splines now. Docs, document. This is a very simple to use tool. Read this document in case you have any doubts or just, I guess, want to know. In order to create a new spline, go to Unity toolbar, S-line splines. Unity tool. Oh, have a new thing here. Oh. Wait, how do I select? Oh, do I just rotate it like? Could you guys hear that? That was the loudest honk I've ever heard in my life. Yeah, okay, I can move this node. Next. What? Ooh, that's not what I wanted. What just happened? Oh, here we go, here we go, here we go. Okay, and these are the control points. Oops. Oh boy. Okay, okay. It's obviously not how I want this to be curved. I mean, even just this is good enough. Whoa! Okay, sorry, that was my own fault. Because I keep... Gosh. It's gonna be weird, it's gonna be weird. Yep. Okay, I need to stop doing things like this. There we go. Okay. Okay. That's literally all I want. Right there. Except they're a little off kilter from each other. There we go. Looks good. And this is just bothering me for absolutely no reason. There we go. Okay. Looks good. That's literally all I want. Okay. And then events. Oh, on polyline changed. Spline frame. Okay. Extensions. Within the spline frame component, you can create a new behavior for the line, such as drawers or traverse. No, don't care. Don't care. Wait, what's the traverse? Traversal component contains the iteration on the spline. Use it to move in a game object along the... Oh, here we go. But to do it in game mode automatically, you need to extend it with a walker. Oh, welcome, Dave. Yeah, we're just making a game. We're making a video game about Coco Kiryu from Hololive. It's gonna be like darts, but pin the tail on Coco. Actually, I've been trying to figure out a name for it because they're like in Japan, they don't have pin the tail on the donkey. They have a game where you like put a face together, but that's not like the same. But pin the tail on Coco is literally what you're doing. So I'm having a lot of trouble coming up with a name that'll work in Japanese and English. Yeah, I'm something darts and tail. I'm not sure. I'm having trouble with it. Specified. Okay, what's a walker? A traversal component. Traversal component. Traversal. Can't add script behavior adapter. The script. Okay. Where do I add this traversal component? What are the chat rules? They're in the description. You use it to move a game object automatically. You need to extend it with a walker. Where do I put... Do I put it on the object I want to move? Do I put it on Coco? I feel like that's not right. Yeah, no. Can't add script behavior. Game object line decide to do it again. Ooh, this is fun. I could maybe. I wonder what the actual like here, script frame maybe? I want to know what things I can call from it. I can't open it. Okay, what is going on with this traversal component? Oh, these are my scripts. It's like, Chungus! Why does the spline editor need a Chungus? Oh yeah, it is here. Editor? Demos? Well, let's open a demo, I guess. Test scene? Yeah, save. Okay. Traversal. Spline adapter. Confusion. So... Okay, I need to add an adapter. I need to add this spline iterative adapter and then a traversal. Oh, this is assuming you put the spline on the object that's moving? That doesn't seem right. Also, generally, we keep a PG-13 here, which is why I have a comment here, which is not, I mean, you don't get in trouble for saying bad words, but they just won't appear in chat. But please be respectful. Here we don't spew hate towards any group. Yeah, we don't accept that here. Actually, there was a Minecraft stream a while ago where I had to ban a few people. It was surprising. I've never had to ban anyone, and then that one stream, I had to ban a few people, and I was like, "What is happening? What Minecraft? What is this video getting recommended on?" So strange. Okay, so I have to add a spline like iter adapter, and then the traversal. It worked that time. Distance? What do you mean distance? The whole thing. Extend? Okay, here's where I'm confused. Because it seems like I'm supposed to put Coco, like, on the spline object? This is strange. Let's move the whole spline object up. There we go. Nice and symmetrical. Okay. So, let me go back to that test scene, actually. Where is it? Spline tool, demos, demo scene, test scene. Okay. So, if I press play. Whoa, Neum. Is a cube? Is the cube the one traversing? Walker, interpolation color. It kind of seems like Huh. I'm confused. Okay, well, we'll figure this out. Let me open back up my scene. It seems like the object that's moving is a child of the spline. And then you just put the walker on it? But I don't understand how you're supposed to specify. So, hypothetically... Coco being a child object of the spline? Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. Let's try that? I don't really... Nothing. Absolutely nothing. Okay, walker. Ping pong is what we want. Direction forward is fine. That was so strange. So do they want all of this to be on Coco? I guess I'll copy it. Paste component is new. Paste component is new. Paste component is new. And then let's move these also. Ooh, it didn't like that. It didn't let me do that at all. What's going on here? Why are there like 2 splines? Oh god. Okay, well, this is concerning. This is what I get for trying to... Whatever. Let's try it, Walker. Let's try it. Nothing. Absolutely nothing. Yep, absolutely nothing. I don't know. I'm just gonna undo all that. Yeah, that definitely doesn't look right. Oh wow, I tried to undo and it just didn't. I love that. That's really cool. Love that. For me, starts with this extension is easy. No, first of all, no extension is easy to use. The only ones that are easy to use are the ones that are so good that the company was bought by Unity. Those are the only ones that are easy to use. And eventually they just become part of Unity. So, not helpful. Walker makes the traversal work in game mode and handles. This is barely in English. The traversal component contains the iteration on the spine. Use it to move a game object along the curve, but do it in game mode. You need to extend it. To do it in game mode automatically, you need to extend it with a walker. Maybe I have to... Let's go look at their demo again. Maybe I still have to write a script. But it didn't seem like that they did that. Yeah, they didn't do that. It just automatically does it. Whoa, what's this? Trail renderer? Oh, that's a different thing. Is this the trail? Is the cube the trail? If we delete the cube... Yeah, that's the actual thing. That's the thing that's following the spline. Weird. Okay. Huh, okay. I deleted one of the cubes and it won't undelete, but whatever. Yeah, so I'm confused. Traversal move. There's something along here that I'm not getting. I'm gonna just like screenshot this and like copy it in my scene. Snipper tool. Oh, you guys aren't seeing it. Why didn't you? Oh, it because it automatically changed. Okay. All good, all good, all good. Scenes, level 1. Don't save, don't care. We're back here. Let me grab that spline. It does seem like Coco has to be a child. For whatever reason. And then, where's my snipper tool? So, those are the same. Those are the same. Actually, we're not going to update rotation, though. Events, nothing. Walker. It looped. The other one looped, but we're not looping. We're just walking. Or ping-ponging. Huh. This is all exactly the same. Why didn't the other one have, like, no children? What was up with that? It doesn't have any node children. It's just a spline. Do I have to, like, bake it or something? Container? Spline frame? Oh. I understand. Let's go back to my scene. So what you do... Coco doesn't have to be a child. Coco needs this stuff. The spline frame is its own thing. This stuff is something different. Remove. 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 Okay, spline frame is by itself. Coco needs a spline adapter. And then you choose the spline to be adapted to. And then Coco needs the spline iter adapter. And then she needs the traversal. By the way, there's ways to make it so that when you add one of these components, it adds the other one. I don't know why that's not the case. And then we add the walker. Perfect. That should do it. I think this will do it. Wait, why am I so zoomed out? I think this will do it. Didn't do it. Didn't do it at all. Oh, we don't want to update the rotation. Let's make the speed bigger, I guess? I don't know. Huh. Huh. Got the spline adapter, the spline iterable adapter. I will learn construct one day. One day very soon, actually. Maybe right after I finish this project. The walker. Maybe the problem is that it's not in the same position as this one. Oops. Like that. I don't think that would change anything, but let's try it. Nothing. Absolutely nothing. I have to say, I do like this asset. Once I get it working, I think it'll be good. Because it does exactly what I need it to do and nothing more. As soon as I get it working. Assuming that it works. What's there to learn in Construct? I don't know. I haven't opened Construct. I don't know what there is to learn. Yeah, I could handle that. I don't know if I can do that stuff. And considering that it already has this functionality built in, I'm hoping that I can just get this to work. I'm sure I could maybe. Well, actually, I don't know how easy they've made it to access that stuff though, is the problem. It probably isn't this iterable spline adapter if I had to guess. This is so frustrating. I'm like so close. I can taste it. I can taste it. I can taste it. Will we be finding ways to get this into Coco's hands once it's done? I mean, we don't need to like I have a feeling we won't need to do much for her to see it. I mean, that's why people have these. That's why VTubers have those hashtags. And Coco's really good about checking her hashtags, generally speaking, I think. What am I missing? I don't need this interpolation color script. Ooh, it changes scale? That's kind of interesting. Is the spline doing anything special? I don't think so. It's just a spline, right? It's Monkey Brain IDE that like using clay to build a horse, but it works. It does suck though because Coco's hashtags are frequently constantly filled with spam. So I would understand if she didn't check as much because of that. I could see that being the case. Is there a problem with the spline that I made? Could that be the problem, you think? Like I set it up correctly, but I didn't. That's the only thing I can think of. Spline just be reticulating. Articulating splines. Maybe it's moving, but it's too slow. Where did I write this? What the f- He left in a debug? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. 1 second. This is too funny. Something tells me that perhaps the ping pong functionality is not quite there. I want to open it. Usually when you double click on this, it opens it. Because it's a like exported thing? Great. I can't even do anything about it. Love that for me. Okay, let's try not ping pong. Maybe ping pong is the issue. Loop. Yeah, there wasn't a debug print there. I legitimately saw that and I was like, wait, did I leave a debug print in? And then I was like, I have never once in my entire life wrote Ola as my debug print. Unfortunately, I can't look at his scripts, it looks like, because they're like exported or something. Or I would debug it for him. But let's try making this spline a loop. Closed. There we go. Now I should be able to loop, hypothetically. It's still not doing anything. If I manually put in the distance, what happens? Nothing. Absolutely nothing. It's the Duolingo bird. He's back. Oh, it's too true. Okay. I can't set distance, apparently. That's just not something I can do. Love that for me. Now, question is, can I access these, oh, here we go. Yeah, first of all, these are DLLs. There's nothing for me to access. Quite unfortunate. Quite unfortunate. See ya, Jarn. Have fun at, Kiara's, The Hobbit extended viewing, I believe is what's happening. This is frustrating. This is very frustrating. I'm actually gonna write a review. Let's write a review, everybody. Am I logged in? Yeah, I'm logged in on the right account. Oh, that was my email, but don't worry about it. Let's see. Let's get this spline. What did we use? We used the spline tool. Let's write a review. Why would they extend The Hobbit? Good question. Not sure. Please rate and review this asset. Your honest review and rating, almost good. Is that fair? Is that a fair thing to say? Almost good? Volume creation is simple and intuitive, but when I try to get traversal working, it's quite a complicated setup. Laborious setup. And I couldn't get it to work. There might be a step I'm missing. But the documentation is pretty rough. So all I have to go on is the examples. When I tried to use ping pong traversal, there was still a debug print Ola in it, which gives me the impression it's not quite finished. There we go. Fair, right? That's a fair review. Harvard words? No, I was actually always really bad with English. My English teachers hated me. I was really good at math, though. Let's see. The spline creation is simple and intuitive, but when I try to get traversal working, it's quite a laborious setup and I couldn't get it to work. There might be a step I'm missing, but the documentation is pretty rough, so all I have to go on is the examples. When I tried to use ping pong traversal, there was still a debug print Ola in it, which gives me the impression it's not quite finished. I'll update my review if I can get it working or if updates are made post-review. Oh, like a 3, right? The splines are good. Let me elaborate. I would Well, I won't elaborate. I'll give it a 2. I'll give it a 2. 2? Because it can't do the main important thing, right? 3 or 2? 2 or 3? I'll give it a 2 for now. I'll update it if he fixes it. He'll probably respond. So I think at that point, he might help me out. Maybe we should try to watch these YouTube videos that I can't watch. Oh, here, wait. I like how when I go to my own YouTube, it tells me that I'm streaming. Yes, I know I'm streaming. Thank you very much. What's it called? Spline tool? Spline tool? I'll have to search for it myself. Walton Cab? Spline tool architecture. 4 hours ago. He posted a video 4 hours ago? How old is this? He literally posted a review video 4 hours ago with his spline tool. Looks like the demo videos are literally just the example scenes, so not helpful. Spaceships look good, 4 stars. He'll respond, cry typing, you're a 2 or a 3. In other places, you need to open your wallet a little bit and they'll steal your money. What? Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, I don't know what's going on. Like, this is clearly correct. This is clearly the same as... the original, the example. I don't really know what else to do about it. Loop was the only difference. Let's try speed 1, I guess. I don't know. Yeah, nothing. Nada. Zip. What's the word? Zip. Whatever. Maybe try sticking Coco on that example scene? Oh, that's a good question. That's a good point. Maybe I'll try that. Copy. This is a different test scene. Where's the test scene I was working with before? This one. Coco. And then we're gonna give it... I don't know, this one. Not moving. Coco's not moving. What's the difference? I don't know what the difference is. Move forward, move backwards. Is Coco mooning the camera? No, she has her skirt. There's just also a heart drawn on it. I was trying to figure out whether this should just be a circle target or if it should be butt-shaped. And I sort of went for a happy medium and it's heart-shaped. Get a drink, a sip of water. She's not mooning the camera. Although her skirt is short enough that if she actually did this, she would be mooning the camera. But, ew. Extend, huh? What would happen if I just copied all the stuff from the other one to this? What if I just... What if I attached Coco to one of these? How about that? Coco's moving now. She's zipping around like a little mosquito. So it's not a problem with Coco inherently. So let's try... Speed is half here. I mean, this all seems like the same, right? Am I crazy? Whatever, I'm gonna just copy it onto Coco. Paste as new. Oh no, which one did I just grab this from? This one? Yeah. I wish I could select multiple, but I can't. Copy. Paste as new. Copy. Paste as new. Oh, what happened there? That was interesting. What was that? Why did it suddenly move? What's the difference? Nothing. I don't know why it worked that time. Copy. I bet now it'll work. I don't know what the heck the difference is. Paste is new. I bet it'll work now. Yep, she's Newman. She's Newman. Okay, so let's copy this Coco back to my scene. Yeah, sure, save it. Just delete this Coco. And then put this spline as the... Coco, come back to us. Coco, come back. You can blame it all on me. But this time the Coco didn't snap to the right position. Which makes me think it's not gonna work. Yeah, it didn't work. Oh, you guys can't see that. The dropdown says draw traversal mesh. Cool, still didn't do anything. Love that for me. Really love that for me. Clear, 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 clear. I just said this so still didn't do anything. Why does it keep resetting itself? Why does it keep resetting itself? What? Why does it keep resetting itself? Oh. Huh. Why does it do that? What? Why is it doing that? See? Why is it doing this to me? Why is it doing this to me? These are all set to traversal. Clearly it's supposed to be traversal. But in my scene, I didn't do anything. When I'm in my scene, it's set to traversal, but when I click play, it's no longer set to traversal. I'm in pain. I'm in so much pain. What is this? What are these buttons? I just reset it, apparently. Can I not undo what I just did? I can't undo it. The reset button is not reversible. The reset button is not reversible. The reset button is not reversible. I'm in pain. What the heck? That was weird. What the I can't undo it. What the heck? That was really weird. Wait. Oh. I'm gonna update my review. This UI is garbage. Bet it'll work now. Nope, still doesn't work. Actually, still doesn't work. I'm seriously losing my mind because it's... I bet it went back to draw. Yep. Here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna read all that from the beginning. Okay. Next spline. Like that. That's all we need. We then, I think all of that should not matter. Save. We go to the actual spline itself. We set it to traversal. Save. We then click plus. It creates a traversal object. Okay. Coco is a child of the traversal object. Okay. So if the traversal object moves... Oh, it doesn't have a walker on it. I have to add a walker to it. Wait, we did it. We did it. I think it might be moving a little bit fast, though. Wow, how slow do I have to set this? Very slow. Okay, also we don't want it to update the rotation. Like so, 0.001. You guys, we did it. We did it, Luopog. How do we do it properly? How do I... Wait, I can make my pupils really small. Luopog. There we go. Okay, let's update the review, guys. Let's update the review. Where's my review? Edit. Updated to like a 4 stars. Update. I was finally able to get it to work. And my conclusion is that the UI is needs a lot of work. In an attempt to be minimalistic, it's not clear what any of the buttons do. I had no idea that all I had to do to create a object moving along the spline was to set the spline from draw to traversal, which, by the way, was buggy the first time I did it. And press the plus button. There are also many other buttons, such as R and H, that I have no idea what they are, even after clicking them. By the way, the R button resets your deletes your nodes with no way to undo them. All in all, finally got it working. Updated from 2 to 4 stars. There we go. I mean, this is fair, right? The UI is bad, right? I was finally able to get to work, and my conclusion is that the UI needs a lot of work. In an attempt to be minimalistic, it's not clear what any of the buttons do. I had no idea that all I had to do was create an object to... I had no idea that all I had to do to create an object moving along the spline was to set the spline from draw to traversal, which, by the way, was buggy the first time and would reset on pressing play. and press the plus button. There are so many other buttons, such as R and H, that I have no idea what they do even after clicking them. By the way, the R button deletes deletes your nodes with no way to undo them. All in all, finally got it working. Update from 2 to 4 stars. Update review. There we go. There we go. Done. Done with that. We got it working though. We got it working. Pog. There we go. H is the Ola button. H is the Ola button. Oh my god. H is the Ola button. Oh my god. Why didn't Coco move? That was weird. I don't know why my traversal won't move, but whatever, I guess. I also like the fact that it's properly, maybe it's not. Maybe that's just my perception of it for some reason. I thought it was, slowing down, so it's properly bouncing. But that might just be my perception of it. Anyways, this is good. This is a lot of good progress. I've only been at it for about an hour and a half. I could keep going, but I don't really know what else I can work on. There's a lot of art to do, but honestly, that's its own stream. That's its own stream. Yeah, that's its own stream. Let's see. Let's make the chunguses appear when you hit Coco. Let's do it via the score manager. Yeah, the score manager should be fine. Let's open the score manager. Public game object. Chungus manager. There we go. And let's see here. Maybe like Chungus manager. Oh, well, I guess part of the problem is I was gonna create a different chungus for each like number of chunguses. Do you know what I mean? Chungus manager. But maybe instead of doing this start, maybe I should, yeah, here's what we're gonna do. Ah! No. Bad. Num chungus. Like so. And then we'll just like set, oops. And then we'll have the animate, oh, gosh darn it, what the heck? I'm so not good at my keyboard. Oof, okay. So then we'll have the two animators, public animator, animator, right, and public animator left. Do the same with the left. And then on the actual, I'll do this in a second. On the actual animator, we need to create the start. And then we're going to have an empty state. That's going to be the default. And on start, so you go to left side. Yep, perfect. No exit time. Doesn't really matter from there, to be honest. Yeah, it looks good. Okay, then we do that with the bright chungus. Empty. Create layer default. Make transition. When... Oh, I didn't create one. Start. Yeah, when start is true. Okay, perfect. So now what'll happen is even if I create the chungus manager, it won't do anything until it's given a number of chunguses to spawn. So the score manager, okay, let's give it a chungus manager. Oh, I'm so glad I don't have to think about the splines anymore that I haven't figured out. Chungus. Yep, okay, and then in the score manager, we're gonna create a chungus. Chungus. Chungus manager equals instantiate chungus. Wait, do I not? Oh, I don't. Oh, here it is. And let's just call it chungus. Chungus. There we go. And then we're going to find chungus.get component chungus manager. The number of times I have to say chungus. Call start. Not start coroutine. Thank you. Oops. Oof, I am fat fingering all over the place because my keyword is so small. Doesn't it? I just wrote one. Oh, it's trigger. Okay. Oh. And the actual thing is going to be S divided by 100 times 3. Yep, that's it. Okay, let's give that a try. So now every time I hit Coco, which will be very difficult now that she moves, nigh impossible. Oof. Oh, I'm so close. Ah, so close! Ah, this is gonna be hard. Oh no. Okay, this is difficult. Oops, I didn't mean to press play again. Let's move it forward. Oh, that was so close. Oh, boy. How was that not a hit? Okay, for testing purposes, we're just gonna make the hitbox really big. I'm tired of this. It's too small. Wow, that wasn't even close. How is that not a hit? Something tells me my... Oops. Something tells me my... Oh. I did hit it. But I didn't set Chungus Manager. I didn't... Wait. Wait, what is it? What is it complaining about? Object reference not set to instance of an object. Add score. Line 39. My Chungus Manager? Oh, because I gave it a Chungus and not a Chungus Manager. Oh, that'll do it. There we go. Okay, let's give that one more try. They aren't moving. Unassigned reference exception. The variable... Oh, I didn't... I clicked right again. Play again. I didn't actually set the left and right animators, so let's do that. Perfect. Put that back in the prefab and delete from the scene. Let's give that... Okay, this time it'll work. I swear. Oh, they didn't delete. Why didn't they delete? Oh, I haven't... The exit time is wrong. Here, this exit time should be 1 with a 0 transition time. Needs to be true of the other one as well. Which I did on... I did correctly on that one, actually. Okay. Oh my god. Nice! I don't know. Wait, why was there such a delay? Why was there such a delay between those two? Because this has an exit time, that's why. That'll do it. That'll do it. Our chunguses work correctly. Our chunguses come to applaud our accomplishments. Yay! Oh, I love it when a plan comes together. Yay! Okay, okay. I have to exit play mode this. Okay, save. Okay. Okay, I think on that happy note, I think that's where I'm gonna end the stream. I would like to remind you all that I have streamed work on this game a few times already on my Twitch. So if you're not following my Twitch, you're missing out on a lot of game development. Those streams, I don't know. It's a little more chill because I'm mostly just thinking and working hard. But you know, I still try to keep it somewhat entertaining. But yeah, so most of the development on this is on my Twitch. I think when I get to the like drawing to doing the real animation stuff on this, I'll do that more on YouTube. I don't know. When I do the interesting things, or generally speaking, I'll try to continue to update on YouTube every once in a while. Oh, thank you for following my Twitch. And yeah, thank you guys for coming. So yeah, every once in a while I'll update you guys on YouTube, probably once a week on the weekend. But throughout the week I've been streaming a lot on Twitch, streaming updates on this and working and, you know, just generally trying to get this thing out the door. I think next week, barring anything strange, I think next week I'll do like like a 12-hour stream or something, like or an endurance stream to get this to alpha. I think that's gonna be my plan, and that'll be on YouTube. So yeah, because I want to get this game done within this month. That's my plan. That would be nice. So yeah, look forward to that. That'll be fun. Let's see how far I can get up to that point. Yeah, I'll see you guys on Twitch. I'll be updating my schedule. I post a stream schedule on my Twitter every single Sunday. One day I'll be able to get community posts, and then I'll be able to update them or post them directly on YouTube. But unfortunately, you can't get community posts until you have 1,000 subscribers. So if you're not subscribed to me on YouTube, please do that because it actually really helps me out. Oops. There's so many stupid things that you can't do until you have like 1,000 subscribers or whatever. It's so annoying. Yes, that will need a lot of water and snacks, but I'm looking forward to it. Do I have any design document on what you plan to have for an out of alpha? That's a good point. I should probably write that down. I should probably figure out what that means. For me, alpha would probably mean main art finished. Maybe not the animation is totally finished, but like all the main art is finished. The general look is down, and I can do a full gameplay loop with all of the levels. That would be alpha for me, I think. Because all the levels are, once I get one level set up, they're pretty much all the same. I mean, right now, as we have it right now, we already have almost all of the functionality that we need. The only other thing to add is just like a lot of flavor stuff. And also individual hitboxes for the points, but that will be, I'm not even kidding, like less than 30 minutes to do. So yeah, that's really exciting. I'm looking forward to that. And then we need to do some what's it called? Quality of life stuff. It's like keeping track of your score throughout multiple playthroughs so you have a high score, stuff like that. But yeah, okay. I am so thirsty. I need water so badly. We're gonna end the stream here. I'll see you guys probably tomorrow. I usually stream on Mondays. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Goodbye, everybody. Check my Twitter for schedule updates. Goodbye.